In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear links on your Kia Optima. Located behind the rear wheels, let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Remove the tire. Using a 19mm socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this knot. Next up, we're going to remove this knot over here. And for that, we're going to use a 17mm wrench. We're going to hold to the other side of the ball joint to stop it from spinning. Using a 19mm socket, go ahead and take the knot. Take the knot out, slide the link off the sway bar, and now using a mallet, since we're replacing it, we're gonna go ahead and hit right on the threads. Now take out the old one. Now we're ready to install the new link. The first thing we need to do is remove the nuts that come pre-installed on it. So go ahead and do that. Now we're ready to install the new link. One thing I'd like to mention, the new one is gonna have a notch, so we can put a number 6 hex head and get the knot tightened. Go ahead and slide it in the same way it came out. Line it up with the sway bar hole and push it in. Start both nuts by hand. Now we can go ahead and get this knot snug. For that, I'm gonna use a number 6 hex head socket. Go ahead and put it on. And while you hold it, go ahead and tighten the knot. This is just here to keep the ball joint from spinning. Now we can go ahead and tighten the other one. For the next one, we're gonna use an 18mm wrench and an 18mm socket. You're gonna go ahead and get the wrench on the opposite side of the knot. This is just to keep the ball joint from spinning. And using the socket, go ahead and get it snug. Now go ahead and torque both the nuts to 87 foot-pounds. Install the tire and start the lug nuts by hand. Now we can get them snug. With the vehicle on the ground, go ahead and torque it to 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.